How to share photos from iPhone via link. To get started, go ahead and open up the Photos application from your phone. Then, from the library, select the desired photo you want to share. After that, you'll see a share icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now, you'll get to see multiple options to share the photo. Select Drive from the sharing options to share the photo as a link. Then, tap on the folder option on the bottom. Select the folder you want to upload the photo to. Now, tap on Save here at the bottom right corner. After that, just tap on Upload on the top right, and your file will start uploading. Once done, open the Drive application. Tap on the three dots beside the folder you saved your photo to. From the options that appear, select Copy Link and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, open up the Message application and tap on the Compose icon on the bottom right. Select the recipient and paste the link into the text field. After that, just tap on Send. You can also send the link through other platforms if you want. Following these steps, you can easily share photos from iPhone via link.